What's up, y'all? It's Mariah Lisa, and I am back with another banger. Y'all like that energy, didn't you?
Okay, please excuse my eyelashes in advance. They're falling out and I'm about to get them redone, but please do not judge me.
It's Friday night and I'm doing a lot of things here. Do y'all ever have those weekends when you just create a lot of things for you to do? So you have a busy weekend, but it's only because you made it busy for yourself. That's what I'm doing right now. My hair. So tonight I am going to try to define my curls in some way. I'm not gonna lie, it definitely has gotten longer. It's been about a month since I first cut it, and I wish I would have got it cut and shorter, honestly. Tonight, I'm focusing on trying to define my curls with some products. But when you've been in the natural hair game long enough, you know what products typically work for your hair. Right now, I feel like I'm starting over. I feel like everything I used to use worked when my hair was shoulder length or was longer. Now that it's shorter, it's just I'm not getting the same results with the products before. Maybe I'm not using the correct styling tools, but I'm gonna figure it out. I don't want to keep walking around looking dusty like this. I like my short hair. I just want to be able to style it the same way. So, you know, we got to go back to the basics. I've been on YouTube for the past week, searching videos, seeing what other products people use, seeing the methods that people use, and I'm gonna try something out tonight.
Okay, I just wanted to show you guys a quick texture shot of my hair, freshly washed. As you can see, the water stays on my hair, which might indicate that I have low porosity hair. I have different textures. Some pieces are straighter than others. Some places are thicker. I have looser curls in the back and the nape of my neck. Okay, but let's get started. So again, starting on freshly washed hair, you see how dense my hair is. It is so thick. I cannot even see my scalp. I drench it again with water because it did dry a little. This specific look, I wanted to include a side part, so I went ahead and parted my hair. In order to keep my part clear, I'm going to use these duckbill clips to clip my hair to the side. Okay, so first I start by picking my hair out as much as I can, and then going in with this Haitian black castor oil. It is thebomb.com. Any type of thick oil like Jamaican black castor oil will be fine, but I had Haitian around, so that's what I used. And I go ahead and oil my scalp. And then I proceed to oil the rest of my hair. Put a nice thick even coat on it, and then go again with my water to spray on top. This is just to give my hair the most moisture and water for this style, because if you want juicy curls, you have to make sure your hair is hydrated. And then I go back and pick it again. Okay, so you probably guessed it, I'm using Eco Styler. I start off by parting my hair in the section. Grabbing like a glob full and pressing it through, kind of raking it through, combing it through, curling it with my fingers so my hair is evenly coated with Eco Styler. We're going to be using a lot of this gel to get these curls popping. I do another part, separate the section, and then loop that product into it. Really going from roots to tip, or root to tip, roots to end, ends to root, and smoothing it. You can see that I'm kind of curling it up, and then I even go in with a Denman brush for when my hair starts to get longer. Now, I saw the best results when I flipped the Denman brush up for my curls instead of flipping it down or just brushing it through, but I flipped it up and then used my fingers to go in and reinforce the curl. Again, on the sides, it's already parted. I know it's hard to tell because my hair is so dang dense, but running the product through with my fingers and then going in with the Denman brush to flip the curls up and reinforce the flip with my fingers. It low-key is like a roller set. And repeat the process again. You go in with your rat tail comb and part your section. Gloop the product through, ring it through, root to ends or ends to roots. Then go in and flip that Denman brush up and follow through, reinforcing with your finger to make sure the product is evenly distributed. Not even gonna lie, there was a point where I had to ditch the Denman brush and use the rat tail comb to flip the curl because I don't know, I think it was just a bit too dense at the top of my head for the Denman brush. I don't know if that even makes sense, but to get the definition that I wanted, I had to use that rat tail comb. Now that I have finished going through my hair, I'm deciding to put some swoops in my edges with the excess products. Slap a bonnet on for overnight and check in the morning. Okay, let's see what we're looking like. Do y'all see the curls? Woo. Ooh. But as you can see, my hair is so dang dense that it's almost hard to see. Like, you can see the surface, but when it gets down to the root, like, you can't see my scalp. And when I had first got my hair cut, I thought that's what I would be able to see. So again, with the texture shots, just see it as well as you can. And my part kind of went away. I put a little gel in the middle of it, but it's fine. Okay, to the Eco Styler. It did define it. I'm surprised. I'm pleasantly surprised because Eco Styler has not done that for my hair since 7 years ago when I first went natural. So I'm happy that it worked. I think I'll definitely probably try to use some other products to do the same thing, but so far Eco Styler gel has been the only one to do this for me. But I also think the method in which that I use with the Denman brush to really rake it through helps. So I think I'm gonna try it with my Miss Jessie's and see if it does the same thing. I hope this video was helpful for anybody who is struggling to define their TWA. Is this a TWA? Because it's pretty tiny. I don't even know if it's an A yet, an afro. It's just a low cut. It's cool. But yeah, I hope this helped you or give you some clarity on how to define your 4C curls for a little short look with a part. I'm gonna be trying finger waves next. So as soon as I get that method down, I will post the video so you all can see. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe for good vibes, and I will see y'all in the next one.